kibun. Kibun is mean feeling or mood. The kanji ki is mean mood or spirit, or it's about the mind. And the kanji bum is mean park. If you talk about some park or about park, you can use the kanji bum. So in here is mean the part of your mind or the part of your feeling. So when we use the kanji of about the mind and about with the kanji of the park, this means the part of your mind or the part of your feeling. So we can translate to be like feeling or mood. And as you see here, we have the example like 最近気分が良くないです。最近気分が良くないです。Which means I haven't been feeling very well lately, or I haven't been feeling very well recently. The word 最近 is mean lately or recent. And yoku nai. Yoku is mean good, but you put with the word nai is mean not good or not very well. So kibun is mean the feeling or the mood. So this means your mood or your feeling is not very well, it's not very good, it's bad. Yokunai is mean not good. So if you say about yourself, you can just say like 最近気分が良くないです。And the last moment we learn about the sentence like お元気ですか? Or genki desu is mean how are you, or are you doing well, something like this. So if you feel, you can answer like 最近気分が良くないです or 最近気分が良くありません. This means you haven't been feeling very well lately. In this sentence you can say like 気分が良くありません. 気分が良くありません is mean it just have the same meaning, but it's the polite form. But you say 気分が良くないです is not a polite form. It's just the normal form, or it's the casual form. So just depend when the person that you're talking with. If you're talking with your friends or your co-worker, you can say like 気分が良くないです. But when you talk with your boss or the person that had a position higher than you, can say like 気分が良くありません. 気分が良くありません.